Ford Fusion front headlight replacement the easy way. The correct way to change lights in a Ford Fusion. Took a unit bit, cut it out, took some snips, boom, changed that light, high beam, all done. If I had to change that one, I'd do the same thing. So now we're gonna do this one. Change both lights. Oh yeah, the correct way. First we pull this boot off, we're never gonna use again. Lights are in there, you can't get to them. Unit bit really soft, and then snip, change the lights. Just like that. Now we can get to the lights. Oh, simple. Change this one, all done. You know, the right way would take hours. I mean the wrong way. The wrong way would take hours. You do it the right way, 5 minutes. And you're done.